Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have a Bolzano Lux handbag subscription to share with you. You are not going to believe all of the goodies inside of this bag. If this sounds like something interesting to you, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. I do have some notes so that I don't forget anything important. There are 3 different subscriptions that you can choose from. The first one is $33.95 a month, and you get a handbag and 2 to 3 accessory items. There's also the Lux subscription, which is $43.95 a month. In the Lux subscription, you get the handbag, 2 to 3 fashion accessories, and 2 to 3 beauty items. I love that. Bolzano also has a Lux Plus. This is $49.50. It's just a couple of dollars more than the Lux edition. You get the handbag, 2 to 3 fashion accessories, and 3 to 4 beauty products. I believe that is the one that I'm about to show you. Let's see what's in the bag. And I do want to mention that this is a very well-made dust cover for the bag inside. I store all of my Bolzano handbags in these dust covers. Let's see what they sent. On the top of the dust cover bag is a pretty bow, and then it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Here's our first look at the bag, and I have to say that I am thrilled that I got this color. This is a beautiful dove gray, and I wear gray all of the time in the fall. I can already tell that this is going to be my favorite fall bag, and you will be seeing this in future try-ons, but I digress. I'm going to take all of the plastic off and then show you the bag in detail. It says, "This month we've chosen our Angela especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $175. I have to stop right there. Already, we're up to a value of $175 just for the bag on its own, and it is filled with goodies. Angela is part of our latest collection. It comes in taupe, fog. That must be the color that I got. I called it dove gray on my first impression, but it must be fog. And it also comes in pink. Honestly, I would have been happy to receive any of these colors. The taupe and the fog, I think, will particularly transition into fall well. And then they go on to say what we love about this bag: Bolzano logo in a sleek metallic finish, adjustable crossbody strap, and every bag, even if it is a tote bag, it does come with a crossbody strap, and I really appreciate that. I like to be hands-free, and I like to have that option. There are 3 divisions on the inside zipper, removable inside pouch, and a structured shape. Here's what the bag looks like from a distance so that you can get a sense of the size. Now let's look at the details. This bag has nice, substantial, padded straps, which I really appreciate. Here you can see that pretty silver tone hardware and the Bolzano logo. This vegan leather has such a nice feel to it that if I didn't know it was vegan leather, I would think this was leather. The handles are attached with silver tone grommets, and it does feel nice and sturdy. The bag also has silver tone feet on the bottom. I really appreciate this detail, especially on a lighter colored bag. This bag does have a zipper closure on the top. Here's our goodie bag. It is chock full. I can't wait to see what's in here, but let's look at the rest of the bag. Here's the coordinating crossbody strap. The crossbody shoulder strap is fully adjustable, and I will show you this both with the strap and without during my outfit of the day at the end of this video. The inside of the bag is black, and it really makes the center compartment stand out with the contrast. I want to show you a fun detail about this center compartment because this is completely removable. Let me show you. On the side, we have a little connector, and you just pop that up. We're going to pop up the other side, and then this entire center compartment comes out. You could actually use this for travel and use this as a cosmetic bag. Even though this is an inner compartment to this bag, it is still fully finished. You can see the zipper closure, and it has the same supple vegan leather. We have a zipper pull here. I'm hoping that you can see this, but inside is another zippered compartment, and it is deep and generous. Speaking of generous, this is what the inside of the bag looks like without that inner compartment. So if you prefer a big open bag, you have that option as well. I'm going to put the liner back inside. Now we're going to see what's in the goodie bag. This is a beautifully packaged set of a bracelet and stud earrings. What a lovely detail. Each piece is individually wrapped. So if you wanted to keep one for yourself and give one as a gift, they are ready to go. Here's a close-up of these sparkly stud earrings. I'm only a couple of minutes into the video and already I'm taking off these overpriced Rocksbox earrings because I want to try these studs on. I really like these. I don't typically wear studs because earrings tend to get lost in my big crazy hair, but these are a nice size. So here's what the earrings look like. What do you think? I love them and I own nothing like this. I'm showing you the Rocksbox bracelet that I have on really quickly. This is also an overpriced piece. I'm going to take this off and put on this sparkly bracelet that I got from Bolzano. Before I fasten this, I just want to show you that this has a double, I believe it's called a box closure with 2 safety clasps. This bracelet is extremely well made. I would expect a set like this with the earrings and the bracelet to sell minimally at retail for around $40. This connector worked very smoothly. I was able to do this with one hand. I know that this is cubic zirconia, but I can tell you that at a glance, this looks like diamonds, and the fact that it's so well made makes it even more so. I do want to point out that this bracelet would fit probably up to about a 7.5 to 8 inch wrist. I have a smaller wrist, so this is loose on me. This bracelet would easily accommodate a range of wrist sizes. Wow. I cannot believe that this was in the goodie bag. I have this exact same product saved in my cart at Sephora, and this is around $72. I cannot believe that at this price this was included. This is the Clarins Body Lift Cellulite Control. I have been wanting to try this for a very long time, and honestly the price stopped me from ordering it because I wondered if it worked. Now I get to find out. I know that this is TMI, but I have had hereditary cellulite since I was in my early 20s. And even when I was at my lowest weight at right around 100 pounds, I still had cellulite, especially on my arse. No matter what I weigh, no matter how much I exercise, no matter what I eat, the cellulite is always there. So I am so excited to put this to the test. It says that it targets early and stubborn cellulite. I definitely have the stubborn kind, not gonna lie. And it smooths, firms, and refines. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see a full before and after review using this product. The next thing in the goodie bag is a Revlon Essentials Kit. It has a mascara, a black eyeliner, and a lippy, and I love that this looks like a wearable shade. A lot of times in beauty subscriptions you get crazy colors. I'm just not comfortable with anything too wild. This looks like a pretty one. These are all full-size products, so you have a black Color Stay eyeliner, a full-size Ultimate all-in-one mascara, and this one is a Balm Stain. At first I thought it was a lipstick. I like this even better because honestly I'm not wearing a lot of lipstick these days with the mask wearing. I'm curious to see how much color this actually has, so I want to swatch this. That is a really pretty universal wearable shade. And it feels very moisturizing. Not to go on and on about a lip balm, but this color is really pretty. It's that kind of Your Lips but better, just a slight pink, nothing too bold, nothing too crazy. Love it. And remarkably, there's still more in this bag. Let's see what's next. The next piece is a Revlon Matte Balm, and this also looks like a very wearable color. These also have a really nice mint smell to them. So here's the matte berry tone, And then here is the softer pink stain balm. I love both of these. I think that Bolzano did a great job with this color choice. These would go with a number of skin tones and are perfectly wearable. And there's still one more item in the goodie bag. Looks like more jewelry. Let's see. Wow, this is a really pretty necklace. Here's a close-up of the necklace. You can see the pretty floral pendant. And then it has this unusual woven chain. And I do want to point out that this has a generous extender. Of course, I want to try the necklace on as well. I'm starting to feel like Zsa Zsa Gabor. I'm getting blinged out with all of this jewelry sitting here by myself at home. Oh, I really like this. It hits me at just the right spot. It's very lightweight and comfortable on, and it's not too dainty that you can't see it at all. Love this necklace. I just can't help myself. I have to circle back to the value of this subscription. For the Lux Plus quarterly subscription for $49.50, we got a bag that is vegan leather valued at $175. We got a custom dust cover. This is why I don't buy handbags from Stitch Fix. For $49.50, we got all of this. I cannot get over the value. I am going to put a link to the Bolzano website in the description box below. If you've been on the fence about trying the Bolzano subscription, please know that you can skip a month, you can cancel at any time, you can also get this quarterly. Bolzano has also been kind enough to give me a code that I can give to you to get a free gift with your first order. I'll put all of that information in the description box below. So let's talk about my outfit of the day. The earrings and the bracelet that I'm wearing are both from Rocksbox. The top that I have on is by Daniel Rene. I did pick this up on the Stitch Fix Shop My Looks app. Carolyn, if you're watching, I know that you have this same top, so now we're twinsies. I love the powder blue color of this top, and I also especially like the print. It has pink and white and berry. It also has a really nice drape. This top is 100% polyester, but honestly, it's a comfortable polyester. The jeans that I have on, I got from a Trendsend box. I'll try to remember to link it in the cards above. These are the cut from the cloth high-rise Kelsey ankle flare. I was so happy to see when I was researching the 2020 fall trends that the flare is back. I am so tired of stuffing myself into skinny jeans, so I'm happy to see the return of this trend. These jeans have a unique detail. They have a little bit of a two-tone action going on at the bottom. I decided to show this top transitioned into fall because I intend to wear it into fall. I'm showing it with an Old Navy moto jacket that is microfiber that I picked up last season. Most of my fall and winter shoes are still packed away. I'm right in the middle of doing a closet tour video, so when I do that, I'm going to be reversing my shoes out. So for this outfit, I just pulled a pair of neutral pumps. Not necessarily what I would wear with this outfit, but I felt like I should have shoes on, right? And of course, the bag that I'm showing is the Bolzano bag that we just unboxed. I love this bag so much, and this completes my outfit of the day. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys. For $49.50 from Bolzano, whoops. Why don't I just throw everything on the floor? Pardon me. See if we can keep it in the basket this time.